Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect TradeWheel to MetaTrader 5. And you can do that on the MetaTrader 5 web trader, but I want to do this on the application. So the first thing that we're going to do is create a MetaTrader 5 account, and then after that we will link that up to the MetaTrader 5 application. So what we're going to do right now is we go first to the option here MT5, where we can create right here an MT5 account. So we click right here on I want to create it, and then they're telling us you are applying for a trading account provided by the Securely service entity. This account requires you to complete full KYC verification before you can start depositing and trading. So what you're going to do is you need to verify your account to create an MT5 account. But right now, if you select right here demo and we go right here to create password, we click right here on confirm. And then you see right here your MetaTrader password, right here your server, and here your MetaTrader account. So yeah, make a picture of this or try to find this code and this password when you need it. And then right now we click right here on download MT5. And then we can download right there the setup for MT5. So we click right here on yes. Then we do next. And then right now he is downloading right here MetaTrader 5 for TradeWheel. So yeah, he's downloading right now and this will cost you a few seconds. There we are, we click here on finish and then we have the MQL5 and now he is opening right here the MetaTrader 5. Then we do next right here and now we need to fill in right here our login and our password. So now we go back right here to let's say, where is it? There it is. And then we go back and then we click right here on copy, paste that right here. And then you see right here our password and then we copy that right there. And then right here we do finish. And there we are, guys. Now we can use MetaTrader 5 and this is how you can link TradeWheel to MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you don't have any accounts on TradeWheel yet, please check out the link in my description where you can create yourself an account and also support the channel when doing that. And then for now, I don't have anything to say. If you want to ask me something, comment down below. And then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.